Hello, my name is Laia, and this is my representation about me and my friend Jaume. Me. I'm 12 years old, I'm from Catalonia, Banyoles, and I'm a student from Escola Casa Nostra. I have one sister and one brother, Joan and Carla. I'm interested of cooking, sport, and chatting on the internet. My favorite sport is rowing, and my second favorite sport is cycling. This is my bike. My favorite book is Un campió sobre rodes, and I've got two dogs, Puka and Minka. My friend. His name is Jaume Segovia. He's from Catalonia, Banyoles, and he's a student from Escola Casa Nostra. He's got a brother. His name Tony. He loves animals. He has got a dog. Her name's Nuka. He likes into sport, rowing, windsurfing, and BMX, cycling. He practices rowing. He likes cooking. Thank you.
Good.